My name is Jerry Eze, and I'm the lead pastor of Streams and the convener of New Season Prophetic Prayers and Declaration, otherwise known as nsppd, where we herald one major line: what God cannot do does not exist. As we see thousands, hundreds, millions of people come to the realization of the raw and corrosive power of God, we understand that the scripture that says that in the last day that the mountain of the Lord's house will be exalted far above all the other mountains has been fulfilled in our days. And when I think about the scripture that says in the last days I will pour out my spirit upon all flesh, your sons and daughters will prophesy, I see the manifestation of the fullness of the kingdom happening right in front of us, happening in our days. And I would only say, to God be the glory. And all I'm encouraging you to do is to please stay on this channel, and everything that pertains to life and godliness will be yours. One thing I guarantee you of: this is the hub of the miraculous. This is the center of the supernatural. And more especially, I want you to know that God has tabernacled amongst men. And I want to say to you, a click on this channel is a constant reminder that the season and the time of the strange acts of God are not yet over. Now is the time, for what God cannot do does not exist.